Good morning, children. Let us learn the remaining part of the lesson, body movements. Body movements. First one, joints. Today we have learn about joints. Joints are the joints in the connective tissues. Connective tissues. There are three types of connective tissues. There are how many types? Three types of connective tissue. First one, ligament. Second one, tendon. Third one, cartilage. It is support to the bones or muscles. These three connective tissues are ligament and cartilage are supported to the bones. Bones level joints joints support the three connective tissues. Ligament joints support this tendon is for muscles and bones with the tendons view the moving part, moving together. Okay. Next one, cartilage. Cartilage it is the last end of the bone. Bone oda last end la irukadha which one? Cartilage. Ligament is the elastic band attached to elastic band like structure. It is attached to the joints. Joints are two bones. I will draw the diagram first. This side one bone have no big bone. This side also one bone. This one is the joints. Two bones connective joints. This is the elastic band like fibrous, tough fibrous. Elastic band like structure. This is the what ma? Ligament. Ligament. Ligament or ligament. Spelling mistake, ligament. Ligament ligament pronounce it is the two bones joined together to the elastic bonds band. Elastic band is the ligament. Next one, tendon. It is used for the movement of the muscles movement. It helps to muscles movement. The tendon is muscles. This is a big muscles found in the muscle. Inside have the bone. This side have a bone. This one tendon. Side have a tendon. It is supported to the muscles. It is supported to the tough fibrous tissues. These are tendons of the tough fibrous tissues. Or tendon. It muscles helps to body movement. Which one? The cartilage is the last end of the bone. Cartilage is found in the last end of the bones are joined. Last end la irukadha which one? Support to the bone cartilage. Appo connective tissues are adala ligament, tendon, cartilage. Okay amma, ligament is the elastic band like structure. The tendon are tough fibrous tissues are known as the tendon. What is joint? Joint at which one or two or more bone, at which two or more bone two or more bone join together. Two or three bones or two bones this side the joined, two bones join agda place the joint is joined together is called joints, called as joints. Joints are three types of joint. Joints are divided into how many types? Three types of joint. First one is fixed or immovable joints. Immovable joints. Second one, partially movable joint. Next one, third one, movable joints. First one, fixed or immovable joint. Second one is partially movable joint. Third one is what ma? Movable joint. First one, the fixed immovable joints are no movement of the body. No movement. In the movement may irukadu. Which place? Is the example for the cranial bones. Back side irukilla the cranial bones. Skull oda an example is the group of immovable joint. That hold the cranial bones together. Found in the cranial bones. Next is in the back side rib, sternum, ribs, sternum and the part of the fixed or immovable joint. And three present in the and those present in the teeth and their sockets also found in the which bone? In the fixed or immovable immovable joints. Okay, yeah, immovable joint. A group of immovable joint are called the cranial bones up to ribs or sternum, or the present in the teeth and their socket also present in the fixed immovable joint. Next joint is partially movable joint. Partially movable joint. The partially movable joint are limited movement. Or limited da no movement கிடையாது என்னது limited movement. ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட அளவு தான் என்ன செய்யும் limited movement. Limited movement. Limited examples examples for the partially movable bones are which one? Vertebral column. Vertebral column. Examples of vertebral column. Examples of vertebral column are the in the partially movable bone. A vertebral column are backbone of the partially movable joint. Next one, movable joints. The definition for the movable joints. The movable joints are a joint that allows some amount of free movement of the bone is called the movable joint. A joint that allows some amount of free movement of the bones is called the movable joints. What is the movable joint? A joint that allows some amount of free movement of the bone. Bone is free movement. The movement of that place only. That one movement is the movable joint. Okay, yeah. What is the joint? The point at which two or more bones are two or bones are connected to join together or connected together. Then the joints. Joints la movable are this joint is movable joint. Example for the movable joints are hinge joint. First one, ball and socket joint. Second one, hinge joint. Third one, Third one, pivot joint. Fourth one, gliding joint. First one, ball and socket joint. Second one, hinge joint. Third one, pivot joint. Fourth one, gliding joint. First one, ball and socket joint is example. Example for the hip and shoulder. In the side, which joint? Ball and socket joint. And hip also. Ball example for the ball and socket joint. The bones are connected. To ball and to a ball and socket joint. To a ball and socket joints. It moves in the many direction. In the direction, in the direction you move. Which joints? In the ball and socket joint can move in many direction. Many direction. Okay, yeah. One of the bones in this joint has a structure. In this joint has a structure. Similar to collar, cup or a socket. Similar to a hollow cup or shape hollow cup or a socket. The ball shaped end of the other bone fit in this socket. Okay, yeah. And the cup or a socket. The ball shaped end of the other bone fit in this socket. The ball shaped end of the other bone fit into this into his socket. பார்க்கிறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு? hollow cup shape or socket. The ball shaped end வந்து ball shapeல இருக்கிறனால it is the which one? It is other bone வந்து it is the fit to the other bone. Okay, பாருப்பா. Ball and socket joint. இது hip girdle. Okay, in the girdle side, hip shoulder bone. Sorry ma, this one shoulder bone. Two bone. இது கூட என்ன இருக்கு? Join together bone. Yeah, two bones are joined together. Lower bone which are this is the cup shape. இப்படி cup shape ல இருக்கும். Ball shaped and socket, ball or socket shape. Ball shape. Okay, children, this is what? Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket. Do you understand? Ball and socket joint. Okay, next joint is hinge joint. Next joint is hinge joint. Hinge joint is, which are the hinge joint is move in the different parts of the in the different parts of the play in the body, such as finger joint. Hinge joint example is finger joint. Next one, elbow joint, knee joint, and the another joint is what ma? The toes. In the leg, toes joint. The small bone joints are the what joint ma? Other hinge joint. Hinge joint is example of the what the example of finger joint. Elbow joint, knee joint, only one direction it is. Knee joint, sorry, knee joint will be time, toes joint. Examples of the hinge joint. Next joint is the pivot joint. Next joint, pivot. It is found in the sculptor. In the it helps us head and sideways and first second vertebrae also in the side varum kalukku pakkathula. The found in the this side come the what one pivot joint. This pivot joint is found in the skull, this region. The pivot joint. It is present with the first and second vertebrae of the spine below the skull. First and second vertebrae. First and second vertebrae of the spine below the skull. Spine of the spine below the skull. It helps us to turn our head sideways. It will help us to turn our head in the sideways. It helps us to turn our head sideways. The pivot joint also present between the bones of the between the bones of the forearm, radius and ulna. Bones of the forearm, kaila. Forearm la the radius and ulna. Ulna also in the radius and ulna present between the forearm the radius and ulna also pivot joint. Okay children. Next one. What joint? Gliding joint. It is one of the free moving joint. It is one of the what joint ma? Free moving joint. This side is the gliding joint. Free moving joint is the gliding joint. Free moving joint. Free moving joint present between the small bones such as the vertebrae, wrist and ankles. Free moving joints are examples of the small bones such as vertebrae, wrist and ankles, Angles are the examples of the which joint? Gliding joint. Okay, ma? Muscles are help us to what ma? Body movement. Body movement. Use the help us to body movement for the muscle. The muscles are the front of the upper arm is known as the biceps. Front of the upper arm. The upper arm enna solluvom? Biceps. This side have a triceps. Biceps and triceps. Two types of the muscles, biceps and triceps of muscles. Biceps muscles are the upper arm. Upper arm found in the biceps muscle. Triceps muscles are in the which side? And the upper arm is the muscles on the front of the upper arm are the biceps and those on the back of the upper arm are the triceps. Back of the upper arm are the triceps. When the biceps, contraction and relaxation of the muscles. Contraction and relaxation. Contraction meaning shortening or lengthening. Shortening. Now shortening this side of the triceps. This side of the biceps. Arms on the down put. This side have a triceps or contract, biceps or relax. Okay, yeah. Biceps are relax, contract this side, triceps are relaxed. Okay children, when the biceps contract, the triceps relax, the arm is pulled up. Biceps arm are bend at the elbow, bend at the elbow. When the triceps contract and biceps relax and the arms are straightening, straightening avikira time, which one is the contract again? The triceps are contracting, the biceps are relaxed. Okay children. Okay, this side bones are found in this side. This one is the biceps muscle, this side triceps muscles. Okay, the biceps and the triceps muscles. This is when the biceps contract, that time also biceps contract. Triceps relax. Biceps contract irukku, triceps is relaxed. Next is pulled up type. This cause of the arm bend at the elbow. Idanade bend irukku, elbow vandu namme bend avikira time da the biceps contract irukku, triceps are relaxed. Next listen, the straighten, the forearms are straighten. Straighten bone, found the bone. The triceps biceps are shorten, contract. The triceps are relax. This one relax, triceps contract. Triceps contract, biceps relax. Listen it ma, the muscles are 3 types of muscles. How many types? 3 types. First type is skeletal muscles. Second one, smooth muscles. Third one, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. Okay, skeletal muscles are attached to the external part of the body. External part, which one? External part of the body in legs, hands, and the external part, very outer part of the muscles, outer part of the body. It is attached that muscles. Which muscles name is skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are the voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Next one is the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the internal organs of the body. Only attach the internal organ. Internal organs like esophagus, intestine, stomach. And the part the smooth muscles are attached. Cardiac muscles are found in the which place in attached in the wall of the heart. Heart wall attack. Which muscle? In the cardiac muscles. Okay children, 3 types of muscles: skeletal muscle, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Okay children, thank you ma.